Hello, hi. We without any friend like single digit addition, double digit addition, and three digit addition and subtraction using the without any complements. We learn about the big friend. Who is the king of the big friend? 10. So today we're going to be learn about the big friend addition with the help of 9. This is the introduction part. We need the abacus big print is when where the no beats are available to the plus. So we just going to be take the help of the big print. In this chapter, we just going to be step by step process. Then we are going to be understand with the example and the practice question. So we know about the big print is the very easy way to calculate the number using the simple way, and we use our thumb to move a one beat to the middle bar on the first rod, and then you have index fingers to move the beat from the middle bar or the answer bar, and then you have to just look at the rod and just going to be touching to the beat, then the beat's going to be touching to the answer bar or middle bar. That's what is going to be the answer. Our first number is 11 plus 9 plus 3. 11 plus 9. How are we doing in our abacus tool? First, we're going to be clear the abacus, take 1 and 1, 11. Then we have plus 9. Add 9 in a unit rod. Add 9 in the unit rod, but the beats are not available. So, we're just going to be called the big friend method. And the big friend method going to be help us to say this minus the friend at the king. 9 friend is 1, so we're going to be minus 1 with our index finger, and with the thumb we're just going to be add the king. So we just minus 1 plus the king, it is 20. Then we are going to be add 3 with the directly in a unit rod with the help of thumb, and the answer is 1 and 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 23 is the answer. Right now, we are going to be do the next sum is 25 plus 3 plus 9. Just we first clear the abacus, take 20 and 5. 2 in a tens rod, 5 in a ones rod. Then we're going to be add 3 directly. 1, 2, 3 beats are available. We're going to be add 3 directly in a ones rod. Right now our answer is 28. And then we are going to be plus 9. What we are doing, look at here, the 9 beats are not there, only one beat there for available to the touching to the answer bar. Then what we are doing, we just call the big friend. Big friend says minus the friend, 9 friend is 1, and plus the king, king is 10. Right now answer is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 37 is the correct answer. There are some practice question for you, like 1 plus 8 minus 7. It is a directly, we just take 1, then 8, and then minus 7. 1, then 8 pieces are available, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have minus 7, 5 and 2. And then plus, that is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. The next one, 7 plus 1 plus 9. The second one, 7 plus 1 plus 9. 9 friend is 1 minus the friend plus the king. Answer is 17. Correct answer. The next one, 4 plus 5 plus 9. Clear the abacus tool. Take 4, then plus 5, and then 9. 9 beats are not there. We take call the big friend minus the friend plus the king. 18 is the correct answer. 3 plus 9 plus 2. We just going to be take 3, then plus 9, beats are not available, minus the friend plus the king, and then plus 2. Answer is 14. And the last one, 4 minus 3 plus 9. 4 minus 3 plus 9, beats are not available, minus the friend plus the king. Answer is 10. Then we are going to be the double digit sums. 25 minus 5 plus 9. There's no friend is needed. 20 5 minus 5 and then plus 9. We know 9 bits are there, so we're just going to be add 9 directly there. The right now answer is 29. But the next sum, 14 minus 2 plus 9. We take 1 and 4, 14. Then minus 2. Then plus 9. 9 friend is 1 minus the friend plus the king. Answer 21. The next one, 29 minus 7 plus 9. You have to read like this. 29 minus 7 plus 9. 9 friend is 1 minus the friend plus the king. Answer 31. Then the next one, 34 plus 9 plus 5. We just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. Then we have plus 9 plus 5. 9 friend is 1 minus the friend plus the king. And then plus 5. It's 48. And the last one, 10 plus 9 minus 5. 10 plus 9 minus 5. Answer is 14. That's the correct answer. Right now we know about the big friend. How the big friend 9 addition is going on. Thank you.